So guys, now I said we should try this. This is the number 3 is multiplying p2x. This p2x is a polynomial. So 3 is multiplying that polynomial p2x. So I'm just going to write this polynomial element down. So I'll write it as this. 3 is multiplying. I'm writing the polynomial x, all the elements 0x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. Have I done magic? No. So as I've written this number 3 and is multiplying all the elements of this p2x, so I'm going to expand this bracket. I'm opening this bracket. So what I'm going to do is this 3 now is going to multiply this one, the same 3 multiply this one, the same 3 multiply this one, the same 3 multiply this plus 1 here. Sorry, there should be plus 1 here. I'm drawing it off full, please. If you're confused about anything here, you can just message me directly through my email. So 3 times 0x cubed plus 3 times 5x squared be following, then 3 times 6x. Because of the sign here, you add your addition, plus 3 times 6x, then plus 3 times 1. Wonderful. So the next thing, I'm going to simplify. 3 times 0x cubed. 0 times x cubed is going to give 0. 3 times 3. 0 times 3 is going to give 0. Plus 3 times 5x squared is 15 x squared. And then 3 times 6x is 18x. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. So, the 0 plus this number, 0 plus any number, just going to give that number. So I'm just going to write 15 x squared plus 18x plus 3. So that's the answer. Remember, we're just using a number to multiply a polynomial. What if we are asked to use a polynomial to multiply another polynomial? Interesting.